dear Pisces, welcome to my channel. This is One Universe Tarot and we are all one. This is one universe. I want only people who have this love for the universe and feel the oneness to be in my channel. So if you are not feeling like that, start feeling like that and you will see magic starting to unfold in your life. I welcome each and every one of you into my channel with love. Okay, now be ready to have an unadulterated reading, because here you will not find any nice cozy words and all. Of course, if there is a love situation showing up, I will tell you that. But if you want to know, if there is something which is not very glossy and shiny and rosy and wonderful, I will still tell you. If a knife is cutting through, you will hear me telling you that. Okay, whatever it is, it will be raw and fresh, pure, and only the truth. Okay, from the time you enter my channel, you have to be happy. Okay, I'm one of the biggest person, a living example of happiness and optimism. I'm telling you, everything around me is very happy. People become happy when I'm there. My energy makes people happy in my family, also outside. Okay, so there is this happiness that I want to spread in this channel as well. Okay, do not try to dim my light or your light or anybody's light. Shine, my lovely, wonderful people. I have a small announcement to make. Now listen, this is a general reading. It may not resonate for everybody. So if it's not your story, leave it and watch the other sign. Like you have Jupiter, you have Venus, you have Ascendant, all of these signs you have to watch. Okay, and now this is going to be 10-minute reading. Normally I have 10 or 11 minutes. Now if you want a 40 to 45 minute reading, then you can purchase the personal reading, which is there. Everything is there in the description box. Also, we have a wonderful full moon that is happening in your sign. Okay, it is on the 20th. Don't miss that. You can have a live or you can have a recorded reading which can be scheduled. It is there for a very cheap rate. You can find it out. Now let us start. You have a fantastic reading. You see the letter H, huh? That is regarding happiness. Okay, all I want to give you is happiness, and I am expecting that from you also. Let us start. The first card is you are getting a news. It is a great news. It's wonderful news. It is got to do with family, getting a family, like basically with a lot of money. Now we always think, right, oh God, I have nice family, my husband is good, my wife is nice kids, but I don't have money. They're asking me so many things. I want to buy them. I have the heart to buy them the world, but my wallet is saying zero. What do I do? This kind of torture and all is there. But you know what? You are not going to have all that torture at all. Why? Because you are going to be loaded, my friend. Your wallet is going to be super loaded. This is I'm seeing fire sign. Okay, I'm also seeing a lot of pentacles, and that is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. And also this particular message that is going to come, this person may come directly. That is also something that I am seeing here. Do you see the first card? They are having one wand, and the last card in the first row, they have two wands. Two people are there. Okay, first one, not they, he has one. Okay, he's a page of wands. Okay, he's standing with a message. Now all pages are messengers. Okay, they always get something, letter or a message through mail, or they come and deliver the message. Maybe it is also your friend who is going to come and deliver the message, do the delivery, post office boy kind of thing, and he will go back. That is all. That is the purpose of this particular visit from your friend. But he is going to deliver a message from somebody else. Now if it has got to do with money, if you are working and all, if you want to know how your career is going to be, it is going to go so well. If you were expecting loan from bank, it will be sanctioned, it will be given to you. If you are expecting something, somebody owed you money and you want that from them, any loan from anybody, it is getting sanctioned. I'm telling you, I'll write and give, it is coming to you. Okay, and the other one, you see that. Also be very careful if you are just going to say that I will give it back by a particular time. See to that you give at that time, or at least you do the arrangements to do whatsoever. Because you don't want to fumble, you don't want to fall down, because that may happen, because there is a secretive energy, which is your energy only, which is Pisces energy, the High Priestess. So there are two things about you. One is I'll know everything, and the other one is I am secretive. I know everything, but I'm not going to tell you everything. Huh? That is two different things. No, I know everything. You know what? I will not tell you everything. So what happens if you are just dealing with one more Pisces? They may have secret and all, and it's also talking about money here. So when money is being involved over here, you better be careful in what is written in the documents or what this person is actually telling you while they are giving you money. Okay, and this offer is coming after a very long time of weighing the option, like do I do this or do I do not do this, like do I do this or not. They have been thinking about this for a very long time, and now they decided to take action and they're coming towards you. But definitely I am seeing that there could be some things which are like mysterious girl, I wanna get close to you. The Peter Andre song, right? It's a very nice song. So they want to get closer, that and all is okay, but don't get pulled into some nonsense here. Careful examination is needed. Okay, you have to do some analysis here, but you know what, this is a groundbreaking opportunity that is waiting for you. You have the wheel of fortune also. So if you have been waiting for fortune, why it is not coming, why am I not able to buy the car that my son is asking for $2,000, everything is coming to you. You understand? It is coming. So, and there is a sense of the divine intervention also. The divine plan is having a lot of things they want to give you. So you have to be in a place of accepting all of that. International sanction, approval, money, loan, I see that coming. If it is pertaining to love, this person is definitely coming from a very long distance. Okay, they are not with you for sure, 100%. This reading, you can stop watching. If this reading you are staying with your boyfriend, then mostly this is not your reading, because there is travel involved, and that is how things are going to be working out for you. Also, you can be dealing with Aquarius or Virgo. Okay, we have Pisces also, because these are three arcanas, major arcanas that I am seeing over here. Now this person was waiting for a long time to get resources. Do you see coins all the time? Coins, all the cards, so many cards are coins here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cards, full coins. So a lot of emphasis on the money, the value of money. Okay, so somebody was holding on to this proposal, the love proposal or the business proposal, for a very long time. Okay, and also to take action, they went through very careful analysis. They just didn't do it like that, as soon as they saw you, oh my god, I'm really impressed with you, I will give you everything, I'll write all my property and give it to you. No. This is a very pragmatic person, earth sign. Okay, very diligently looking at everything. So and then they waited for quite a long time. This person who is coming towards you now has lot of money. Okay, and the truth is coming out. There is clarity. The overall energy, if you see, it is the King of Swords, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy. Now this is a person who thinks logically. Everything is logic. Not a person who thinks like you, who thinks with the heart. This is a person who thinks with logic. Okay, 1 + 1 2, 2 + 2 4, like that. You have to give them very tangible evidence, then they will accept the offer or go forward. So you are dealing with somebody like that. So even you should be very careful, and you should also bring the sense of practicality in making the decision. Whether it is starting family, whether you are going to get married, whether you are going to give birth to baby, whether you are starting an account in the bank together for a business, or whatever it is, you be careful of what all is written in the document. Whenever it is going to something that is written and it's going to be substantial, you have to be careful. You have to be very clear. You have to mirror like them. Okay, be clear in how you are going to handle this particular scene. Okay, do you understand that? That is what I have for you. my great secretive Pisces, intuitive Pisces, this is what I have. Okay, so I will see you with the next reading. Also, your sign, we have the full moon. Don't forget, if 10 minutes I can say so much, we can go very deep in the 40 to 45 minutes reading. Okay, it is going to be very elaborate, and I'll be doing the reading with nearly 10 different decks. Okay, so all of that will give you very clear idea about anything that you want to do, or the things that you should not do, and what will happen in the future. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.